Hi everyone, welcome to Art at Home with Mrs. Bodden. Today we're going to do drawing animals shape by shape. Today we're going to draw a porcupine. Now, porcupines usually kind of a scary creature. They tend to shoot their quills out when they feel like they are frightened. Today ours is going to be a little bit cuter than that. So go ahead and get your materials, get your pencil, get your crayons, get your markers, whatever you're going to draw with today, and a piece of paper, and let's go ahead and get started. So today I'm going to draw with my purple marker just because I want to draw a purple porcupine. So our purple porcupine is going to start with an oval head. So we want our oval going horizontally, so we want it going the long way. So go ahead and draw me a lovely oval. Does it have to be perfect? Now we're going to add a face to this end. So if you're a little bit more pointy on one side, that's okay. So just like I said, we're going to add a face to it. We're going to draw almost a triangle shape at this side of our porcupine. So go ahead and draw me kind of a triangle shape coming off the end. And I'm going to switch for a second to a black marker just so that I can get some eyes and nose done. So my eyes, my porcupine's going to be kind of sleepy. It's kind of standing there sleepy. So I'm going to draw two little U's. Those are going to be my eyes. I'm going to draw a nice little black nose at the end of my porcupine face. Colored in just a little bit. I'm going to give him, or actually I'm going to make mine a her. So I'm going to make her have kind of a little sleepy smile. And then since we don't need this line right here, I'm going to go ahead and erase it because it's just getting in my way. So give her kind of a sleepy smile, and then I'm going to give her some cute little eyebrows. Show that she's kind of sleepy. Next, I'm going to fix this line because it bugs me. We're going to draw the body. Our body is kind of a U shape, so go ahead and we're going to start over on this edge this time, and we're going to draw kind of a U shape. So that U shape is going to be our body. Now we need to draw some hands and some feet into this body. So we're going to start with the feet first. So we're going to draw 2 feet, and we're going to start with drawing a straight line. Go over just a little bit, come down with another straight line, and give me kind of a triangle toe. Alright, next leg, we're going to do something similar, but only going to do this front part. So we're going to come straight down, draw a little bit out to make that triangle toe, and draw it back so it touches this first leg. We're not going to worry about the rest of it because we want it to look like it is behind that first one. So the next thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and draw him a long tail. So here's my tail. And then I'm going to erase away some lines. I do not need this line. So I'm going to erase it. I want to keep that one though. I want to keep that one because it makes it look like it is behind on the other side of the body. I'm going to erase this line right here on my tail because I don't need it anymore. So there's that line for my tail. Next, we're going to go with our arm. So start with 2 straight lines coming down, and then kind of a curvy shape like that, and then we'll divide it so that your porcupine has a few fingers. Okay, we gotta get an ear on our porcupine. How else does our porcupine hear? So we need a cute little ear. So we're gonna draw a cute little ear up here. Let's go ahead and erase that inside part, and let's draw that inside part of our ear so it looks like an ear. And then we gotta get the porcupine stuff. So the porcupine quills. So I'm going to switch to a different color purple because I want to do a different color purple for the pokies. So I'm going to say this is more like hair for my porcupine. So I'm going to have some fun with it. So scoot my page over a little bit. I'm going to give it some crazy porcupine hair. Crazy porcupine hair. Then once you get around to the back of his head, or her head, give her some more. That's a little bit too far. So I'm going to erase some in. We'll have it, and we're going to go up just a little bit more. Let's have it end about there into our porcupine. So now if you want to add some more color to your porcupine, you can go ahead and color those in. If you want to make them a little bit more pointy, you can make them a little bit more pointy. Have some fun. Make your porcupine multicolored. Maybe make it have some punk rocker hair with some blue ends or some green ends, something, so that you're having a little bit of fun with your porcupine. Now, if you want to add a little tummy to it, you could add a little tummy. Give him or her a little tummy. You want to give it a background, put it in a place. Go ahead and give it some grass that it's walking on or sleeping on. You want to give it a flower or two. Give it some flowers to be standing by. And there you have it, our lovely, fun porcupine. Hope you had fun with today's drawing. I will see you guys soon. And as always, don't forget to send me your artwork. I want to see what you're doing. See you guys later.